You know you can build your own Roblox games, right? But maybe when you opened up Studio, you were confused and didn't know where to start. Maybe you added some items from the toolbox or generated some cool-looking terrain, and then you thought, wow, this is cool. But is this a game? How do I actually turn this into a game that my friends would want to play? So you exit Roblox Studio and decide, I'm just gonna be a player, not a creator. But if you could build games, I mean really good games, and I could make it easy enough for you to learn, would you do it? This channel is all about making the easiest, simplest tutorials for building games in Roblox. So if that's you, click on that subscribe button and go from player to creator. So what are you waiting for? Open up Roblox Studio and let's start building awesome games.